Harness the power of Gemini AI models with the OpenAI library just by updating a few lines of code. We'll use this Python example here. So we will copy this, bring it into Google Colab to use as our base. Go to the left navigation and click on this key icon for secrets. I already have a Gemini API key secret created here. So if you already have that, just enable the notebook access. If you don't have a Gemini API key, go to Google AI Studio to create one. You can take a look at the video on the screen or in the description on how to do that. And once you do, click on Gemini API keys. This drop down here, import key from AI Studio. Select your API key and click on import. Colab has automatically granted access for the notebook. You can use this name to copy and paste it to replace the name in the code here. Or if you want to match what's already in the code, copy the value for the API key that you imported, add a new secret, and just match the name in the code and paste your value here in the value field. Make sure you grant access for the notebook. I couldn't get the example code to run without errors. If anyone knows why, let me know in the comments. But I took the suggestions from Colab on accessing the secret. So I added line 3 and modified line 6. And then for the prompt, I set the role in line 15 as a director of growth marketing for a SaaS that can manage all your rewards and loyalty accounts. And then for the content for the prompt, create a go-to-market strategy. And then I opened Gemini in this right panel here and asked it to help me print the response in multiple lines. Otherwise, if we just had this line of code from the example, it would just print the response in a single line, so we would have to scroll right to read the entire thing. So Gemini provided this code. Now let's run it and take a look at the response. You can see at the very bottom, it took 5 seconds, and we can scroll up and see the entire response here. So it gives us the target audience, value proposition, marketing and sales strategy, product development, metrics and measurement, launch strategy, and ongoing optimization. At a glance, this looks pretty good. If you found this useful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want more content on AI, workflow automation, and analytics, subscribe to the channel.